In a world driven by light, there stands a center where photons meet precision. Built upon decades of legacy, expertise, and continuous innovation, this center embodies a fully in-house capabilities integrated into Elbit Systems' most advanced solutions. In the precision manufacturing halls, innovation takes physical form. CNC machining sculpts optical substrates with nanometric accuracy, while advanced polishing and lens centering processes refine geometry and alignment. In controlled clean rooms, highly skilled personnel perform high-precision optomechanical bonding for specialized applications. Optical perfection demands tailored spectral behavior. Inside high-vacuum coating chambers, multi-layer thin films are deposited using cutting-edge technologies, including ion beam sputtering and atomic layer deposition, enabling resistance to high-power laser exposure. Photolithography is applied where innovative solutions are required. Every optical component is tested to the limit. Automated interferometric, polarization, and retardation measurement systems analyze every parameter of light propagation. Geometry, curvature, and wavefront are quantified using high-precision metrology systems. Within a unique infrastructure for space optics, ultra-lightweight mirrors and aspheric optics are manufactured using MRF technology to nanometric levels of accuracy. Using advanced materials, lightweight structures, and nanometric polishing, these mirrors deliver ultra-high stiffness-to-weight ratios, meeting the extreme demands of orbital missions. High-energy laser pulses test the resilience of every coating and substrate. Only components that withstand extreme photon flux earn their place in advanced laser systems. Few places on Earth combine such depth of knowledge, advanced technologies, and dedication to optical perfection. This is Elbit Systems' art of light, perfection through technology.